In a jaw-dropping revelation, JWST has uncovered the 29th moon orbiting Uranus, a celestial body approximately the size of a bustling city, located a staggering 2.7 billion kilometers away. It's been a roller coaster journey since Uranus was first discovered. Within just 6 years, William Herschel had already pinpointed 2 moons, though his claim of discovering 4 more remained unverified for over 6 decades. It wasn't until 135 years later, when Voyager 2 entered the scene, that the count rose to 3. Yet, the real excitement began in the last 4 decades as the pace of discovery escalated dramatically. Voyager 2 alone identified 10 moons, bringing the tally to 15. But this was merely the beginning. These discoveries hinted at a vast untapped reservoir of satellites lurking within the Uranian system. Some too diminutive for Voyager to spot despite its proximity, or simply obscured from the probe's line of sight during its mission-focused approach. Ground-based telescopes and Hubble's keen eye then catapulted the total to 27. However, a 21-year lull followed before the announcement of the 28th moon last year. Now the count stands at 29, thanks to the keen observations of Dr. Maryame El Moutamid, using the JWST in February. El Moutamid emphasized the significance of this discovery. It's a small moon, but its impact is huge, even surpassing what NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft could uncover during its close encounter with Uranus nearly 40 years ago. Though awaiting peer review, the consistency of the observed movements across 10 40-minute exposures reduces the likelihood of misinterpretation, setting it apart from most scientific claims. Uranus boasts a unique arrangement, 5 moons large enough to assume a spherical shape, creating a buffer between the inner and outer systems. The newly discovered moon is the 14th to circle Uranus within the orbit of Miranda, the innermost major moon. No planet has a comparable number of small inner moons to Uranus, suggesting a chaotic history that intertwines the dynamics of rings and moons, explains Dr. Matthew Tiscareno of the SETI Institute. Given the new moon's diminutive size and faintness compared to previous inner moons, we anticipate further revelations that could add to the complexity of the system. According to El Moutamid, the moon is positioned roughly 35,000 miles, 56,000 kilometers, from Uranus's center, orbiting in the equatorial plane between Ophelia and Bianca. Its nearly perfect circular orbit indicates it may have formed in its current location, due to the consistent reflectivity of icy surfaces at such distances from the Sun. A team estimates the moon's diameter to be around 10 kilometers, 6 miles. Like the moons of Jupiter and asteroids, whose colors and sizes can vary widely, the icy composition of Uranus's moons provides a more uniform reflection of light. Traditionally, Uranus's moons have been named after characters from Shakespeare's plays or an Alexander Pope poem. This latest edition will likely follow suit, with the rich tapestry of Shakespearean characters offering ample inspiration. Alternatively, considering its proximity to the rings, perhaps it's time to draw inspiration from Tolkien's Middle-earth, given the moon's potential influence on the rings through its gravitational pull. This discovery highlights the ongoing evolution of astronomy, building upon the legacy of missions like Voyager 2, which provided humanity's first close-up glimpse of Uranus on January 24, 1986. Fast forward nearly 4 decades, and the James Webb Space Telescope is extending that frontier further than ever before, El Moutamid concluded.